Hey guys, Gamer 44 here, back with another unboxing. This is unboxing of the processor. So we'll just slip this box open really quick. And here we go, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, guys. Check this out. Are you ready to just throw that to the side? Look at that, guys. There she is. The i9 unlocked processor. Still fresh in the box. i9 1000 900K 3.7 gigahertz. Look at that. That is beautiful. Just a quick unboxing. Nice box, very nice box, and there's the processor right there. And yeah, guys, that's what I'm going to be putting in my Corsair 570X case with the motherboard and the water cooler that you guys saw. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye. Peace out. Just a quick unboxing, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys. Bye.